Hello friends. Welcome to my shadow book. In this video, we are going to discuss about hyperthreading. Many of you may have heard about hyperthreading. It's a technique by which the processor that you are using in your computer, their core becomes double. Like dual core processor become quad core become octa-core. Intel has been using this since a long time, and now AMD has also started using this. By hyperthreading, dual-core processor act like quad-core processor, and quad-core act like octa-core. Then why Intel does not says that it is a quad-core or octa-core processor? This is because the physical core of the processor doesn't change, it remains the same. Dual-core remains dual-core, and quad-core remains quad-core. Hyperthreading is a technique that helps the processor to work efficiently. What do we mean by efficiency here? Whatever the CPU process, whether you are playing a game, or typing in Notepad. Here whatever the task you initiate, after giving input, then they convert into process, and this process contain threads. So, what is thread? Thread is the smallest set of instruction that get executed by onces. Here the processor that we have, execute one thread at a time. We know that, our CPU is very powerful, many time happens that, the data does not reach on time to the processor. Or maybe the data get mismatch. Let's consider an example. In a factory there is a conveyor belt, where two types of products are coming. The A type of product to put in a basket 1, and the B type product to be put in basket 2. There is a person who is given this job. But maybe the conveyor belt is not working properly, or working slowly. Maybe the products are not coming properly. In this case the task is not done efficiently. Now, let's consider there are two conveyor belt. Now, the worker will work efficiently. Because the worker knows that in conveyor belt 1 the product is coming for basket 1, and in conveyor belt 2 the product is coming for basket 2. CPU also work like this, it will execute one output at a time, but it will have two sources. Because of this, inputs are coming simultaneously, due to which efficiency increases. This is why you may think, your CPU is working faster. There is one more thing, all the software that you use in computer does not have the ability to use hyperthreading. Consider you are rendering a video, or working in 3D graphics. They will use hyperthread. Because the work is not dependent on each other, they are not in sequence, they work parallel. Now, let's consider, you are typing something, here there is no use of hyperthreading. Here we can only execute second work, after executing first work. Hope you understood what hyperthreading is. If you have any question, or doubt, leave a comment in comment section below. If you like the video, subscribe the channel, for more such video. After subscribing press the bell button, so that you get notification, when we upload a new video. And also share it with your friends.